Welcome to our YouTube channel CADD. Today we are going to cover the remaining portion. So in the insert option we have covered profile tool and operations tools. In the operation tool we have left it 3D geometry. So today we'll finish this portion, 3D geometry portion. So we'll start with project 3D element. So project 3D element when we're working with 3D models. So let's create one 3D object here. So I'm going to create some 3D. So let's take some tools from here, or we just go to profiles, and I'm taking some rectangle predefined profiles. Exit. Then we'll make a pad of this. Okay. Let's produce some cutouts also. So I'm making some holes. Exit, and we'll make a pocket. Now suppose we want to use that edges or this edge of the hole again. So we'll go to sketch and we'll select that face. Now we can go to that project 3D element. We have this option here also we have available. We can go to this tool and we'll click on project 3D element. So we can select single edge if you want to project it. One by one I can pick the edges, or we can even click on the face. If when we click on the face, it will select outer loop plus as well as the inner loop also. Now this is extracted. So if I want to pad it, so I can also pad that sketch. You can see that sketch is used again. Or maybe I want to project this on other plane as well. So we need a plane. So here we'll take a plane tool. We have to remove some tools and we find that plane tool here, reference tool. We'll click on that and I'll generate one plane here. Suppose the same sketch of that face I want to project on this plane. We'll take this plane and we'll go to projected 3D element. We select this face and exit. We'll see the same sketches has been projected here. So if I want to again pad it, I can simply select that sketch and we'll can pad that. Next, another way, I'll do undo. Suppose if I project again that sketch on this plane, we'll go to projected 3D element, we'll select this. Now this is in yellow color. Yellow means we cannot edit it, we cannot modify it. If you want to modify this sketch, we have to select the sketch and we go to insert operation, and here we have one option is isolate. Second method, just right click, we have marked one and we'll go to isolate. Okay, still have only selected, so I'll go again from that operation and we'll go to option and I isolate. You can see now it is modified, so you can change it. If you want to change size and all, you can change its size. Let's make normal to screen. So I want to change its diameter. We can edit now, like it's 125. We can dimension each things. So they are not connected to each other, they are just breaked. So if you want to be define anything properly, you have to select that in such a way that you can define it. You can see everything is moving, even that lines are not connected. We have to specify one by one that object. We have to apply constraint dimensions, then only we can define it, otherwise it won't become defined. Next things, so this is one method of defining or creating the sketches. Next option we have in the same command, if we see that option here, it's called intersect 3D elements. So when you have two objects that is intersecting with each other and you want to create some intersection sketches, you can use that. Let's create something in such a way that will get an intersection. So I'll create one object here. Exit. I'll make a pad, that making pad in both directions. We'll add some material. So I want to make my sketches at the intersection area. So in that cases, again you can define the face where you want to work it. You take the tool intersect 3D and you can click on the object. You can click on this object, you find it will be producing the sketch at the intersection. You can easily produce the sketches at the intersection of that body. Okay, because we have selected that plane only, so we can able to produce intersection sketches like that. So if we need to use for some purpose, we can create and we can use it. Next option you have for 3D salute edges. So project 3D salute edges we use for circular bodies. Let's create something in circular. So I'll go to start, part design, okay, and we'll take plane. Here let's create something in circular reference. So I'll just design a part that should be have little curvature. I'll close it, and here I'll maintain this and this to be tangent. So we'll go to define relation, tangency. I'm going to make a shaft tool. So we revolve that with the help of shaft tool. Go to shaft. We'll select this axis and it will be revolved. Now suppose I want to project like the intersection area. We can select that middle plane, sketch, and we can use project salute edges. You can select the faces where you require that salute edges. You can see the edges will be produced in that plane. So you can see we have that edges has been produced. Now you can convert into construction mode as well. Like if you want to use in the construction form, you can use in construction form. Maybe sometime we use for the reference purpose. So that way we can use this option, 3D geometry. Now in the next part we are going to cover about constraint tool. If you like this video, subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video.